Check out our brand new Toyota Sienna. It's 36 miles a gallon. Got your power sliding doors. Your brand new van, brand new Vantage conversion. Easy to operate, low cost to maintain. 40 inches wide, 1,000 pound weight capacity. Great for the bariatrics. Check it out. Pinch here. When I flip, it's got the bifold ramp, which makes the ramp longer, easier to get inside. Again, pinch. When I flip, I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Super simple to do. Check that out. If someone parks next to you, if you're in a side entry van, you could not get out. If there's a side entry wheelchair van, not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry will have about 3 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain. That includes snow drifts in the wintertime if you're in that part of the country. They're about $10,000 more affordable to convert than a side entry. You can save a lot of money purchasing a rear, and also the wider ramps, 40 inches wide on this ramp. The side entry only about 30. So if you're starting a business, if you got a nursing home, you definitely want the rear entry wider ramp. Can also hold 2 wheelchairs at a time. Got the deep cut conversion in here. We even give you the upgraded Q-strength tie downs. Our competitors are going to charge you $800 to upgrade to those. We can put the spare seat over there if you'd like. We can even put a bench seat in here that flips up out of the way. We can put a gurney kit in here. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Now, if you're looking for a side entry, what about a full size like a Transit or a ProMaster? We keep all those locked up in a warehouse, including with our big wheelchair accessible trucks. We got the wheelchair accessible SUVs like the Chevy Traverse there. If you don't see it on our website, with like 85 vehicles at mobility316.com with free shipping. We're probably either getting it ready or we can help find it for you. Now, this is an NEMT Dream built just for you all. It's got the blind spot monitor warning as well. Got the side running boards there to help you passengers, ambulatory passengers, get in easier. Got your blind spot monitor there. Great safe feature, adaptive cruise control. Got your backup camera. Just overall fantastic. You know, if you own a business, non-emergency medical transport, what's one of your biggest expenses? It's fuel. If you're out there running an older Caravan, maybe an even older Toyota, maybe even a Chrysler Pacifica or Voyager, you're getting what, 16, 17, 18 miles a gallon? Cut your fuel prices in half with these 36 mile per gallon Siennas. We have free shipping in the lower 48 states. We never have any hidden bogus dealer's fees. We got financing available, best price in the country guarantee. Let us help start your business, grow your business, whatever you're looking to do, or just help your family find the van for you. 316-262-VANS. Call or text us. Log on, check us out at mobility316.com. There's a reason we have the most 5-star Google reviews of any mobility dealer in the entire country. Find out what thousands of other customers already have. Our one-of-a-kind, super detailed YouTube videos to educate you before you buy. Check us out at mobility316.com. We got 7 different colors of these Toyotas to choose from. Check us out, and thanks for giving us a chance to earn your business.